Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to remove users on monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or go and register if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home screen and we have my work. Also, we have all your board here, you have your new board here. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and remove users on monday.com. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it. Basically, when clicking on the workspace name, workspace owners can see all the team members who have joined the workspace in the members tab. So basically, when you go and find the members tab, there guys, you can always go and check out whichever member is in the team. So we have the persons here, as you can also see. By clicking on the X to the right of a member's name, they can then remove team members accordingly to keep their relevant people in the loop. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.